Hello everyone, this is Ahmed of Forex Trading Signal. So today guys, we're gonna go to speak about a very important topic. We're gonna go to discuss one of our strategies and we will learn how to do it. So in this video, I am simply going to explain to you how to sell the highs and how to buy the lows. So we were discussing this several times during trading sessions, and we were saying buy the lows and sell the highs. So we're gonna go to give you this strategy, and we're gonna go to explain it one by one. So in this video, guys, we're gonna go to discuss or explain how to sell the highs and how to buy the lows, and we will give you a comprehensive strategy and we will apply the risk management for it. And we will explain to you the take profit, the stop loss, and how to add position in this strategy. So stay with us, please. We will start in a moment. So first thing, guys, as usual, if you see on the chart a blue candle, that is a buy candle. If you see on the chart a red candle, that is a sell candle. So let's start now with this chart, and this is the daily time frame. So this chart is the daily time frame. So now we're gonna go to apply a conditions for sell or buy. So in this case, I'm going to have a sell trade example. And in this sell trade, I will go and look for conditions. So what are the conditions for me so I can place my entry, my first entry? Always know that your first entry is the most important thing you're gonna go to do. If your first entry is good, all your trade will be perfect. So first condition, if I want to look into these two candlesticks here, and I want to analyze whether I can go buy or sell. So first thing I'm looking on this candle is the price. So I will ask myself, price is at resistance level or not? So I will say that yes, price at resistance level because it has came after a long rally here, very long movement, and it has made this spin bar. So second condition I'm going to take this entry, does the price moved or extended more than $60 up? Yes, I can see more than $120 on the daily time frame. So third thing here, I will ask myself, do I have color change? It was blue by candles here, blue, then this candle is red. Red means seller jump to the trade. So did the color change? Yes, it was blue. Then it changed to red, which is sell candle. So now I will go and ask myself, is the area between my stop loss here on the top and my entry here, candle close, within my stop loss plan? Because my stop loss plan, it will be around 10 to $20 movement. So I don't want to have more than that. So is it within my stop loss plan? If it is yes, within the gap of 20 or 10 to $20 here from the entry point to the area where I'm going to place my stop loss, is it from 10 to $20? Yes, it is. So I'll go for it. So now I'm going to manage the trade. If all those conditions they are met, you're gonna go to make your checklist and you're gonna go to check one by one. If those conditions they have been met on your checklist, then we're gonna go now for how to manage your trade. So to manage your trade now, first of all, you're gonna go to calculate your stop loss. So I'm going to open an entry here. How much is the size for that entry? So if my entry was $20 and I'm risking like $100, I need to find the right size when I place three positions here. Those three positions, if all of them hitting stop loss, then I will be losing only $100 or $20, whatever the size you like. It is very simple. So find your or calculate your stop loss, then you go and open your first entry. Your first entry should be here. That is your first entry here based on this, and you're gonna go to add your stop loss in this area. Now, the management of the trade is not finished yet. So you're gonna go to add position number 2 and 3 if the price came back within your stop loss gap. So your entries here, your stop loss here, if the price push back, you're gonna go to add positions here and maintain the same stop loss. So maximum of 3 position you can add within this gap and you can maintain your stop loss. So now you added positions number 2 and 3 and you should leave between them gap. Then now you're gonna go to target 1 to 1 take a profit. So if you target now take a profit 1 to 1, you will end up by having more than 1 to 1 because the moment you place your entry here and you are adding from the backside, so the second and the third position, the gap between them and between the stop loss is getting smaller, and the gap between them and the take profit it's become bigger. So your trade is not anymore 1 to 1. Your trade is more than 1 to 1, and that is what we want. That is called the risk management, and you still maintaining the same stop loss and the same losses. So last thing, and this is very important, if you are in doubt, if you have no idea what is happening after your entry and those things, let's say something went wrong, you always can set B when the market move in your favor a few pips. Now, this is a trade. We have explained this as a trade and we have given you the condition how to enter the trade. Let's now take another example, failure example. So let's take this red candle. So the first condition, is it at resistance? Yes, it is at resistance. It's retesting, let's say. So does the color change or the price extended more than $60? No, the price it did not extend more than $60. It's almost like, let's say, $30 or $35. So this condition has not met. The color change from blue to red, yes, the color change. However, my stop loss is big because if I want to enter this candlestick here, I'm going to end up putting my stop loss here. So the gap is very big. So I'm not going to take this trade because simply it is having gap more than $20 and this is not within my plan. So I'm going to wait another signal. So let's take now another cell setups and let's see what is good, what is bad. And we will apply the same conditions, the one which we have read in the previous slide. So let's look into this. Price moved more than $60, yes. Color change, yes. At resistance, yes. Within my stop loss, yes. So I'm going to place my entry here, my stop loss here, and I'm going to add position from the second candle and it's going down. By the way, this is still daily time frame. Okay, let's have another one. Price at resistance? No, it is not at resistance here. It is a broken this level. So it is a broken the resistance. So this is not a good trade. So if you place an order here, you're gonna go to lose. So why we don't take this? Because it's breaking a resistance level and now it is resisting and going up. So we don't take this. We take something like this, but we don't take something like this. All right, breaking a resistance level. So that one is not good and it is not meeting the condition. This one is meeting the condition. This one. So why this is meeting the condition? Because this is at a resistance level. If you look to this line here, this is at resistance level. So I can take my entry here, my stop loss here, and I can add positions. However, this is has hit stop loss. Why it has hit stop loss? Because this is like any other signal can fail as well. But this strategy is very good strategy and the winning rate is almost like 65 to 70%. And this is very good strategy. So now coming back to this one, price is extended more than $60. Yes. Price at resistance. Yes. Changing color. Yes. Seller jumped in. Stop loss within my stop loss plan. Yes, it is. I am still within my stop loss plan. So I will open my entry here and my stop loss here, and I will add position if it's retracing back. And rep, it is hitting the take profit 1 to 1. So now I'm going to explain the buy setup on 4 hour time frame. And why I'm changing the time frame, because I want to give you the feel that this strategy is working on the daily chart, weekly chart, and 4 hour chart. Doesn't matter. So maybe 1 hour chart as well, you can have a trade. So if you work on the 4 hour time frame, you got 6 signals a day. That's enough for me. 6 trades a day, that's enough. 4 of them winning, 2 of them losing. I have no issue. I am still in profit. So let's discuss the buy setup. If I go to this one, is it at support level? Yes, it is. Color change? Yes, color change. Within my stop loss plan? Yes, within my stop loss plan. So open here, stop loss here, rep, it's going up. Another one. Going down? Yes, going down. It is retesting. Yes, within my trading plan? Yes, it is within my trading plan, because from the close area to the wick area to the lower area, it is very short distance, and this is almost like stop loss of $1, so I can go for it. But here it is less than $60 movement. And why it is now less than $60? Because we are on lower time frame. So in the daily time frame, we might apply the $60. On the 4 hour time frame, we apply the $20. So this is, I will open here, I will put stop loss here, and I will go for it 1 to 1. So this is sell trade here. It's not buy, so we leave it. So go for this one. Also, it is sell trade. Price extended resistance level. This is sell, not buy. So I will place my position here and stop loss and go for it. This is buy trade. Going down, color change to blue. From red to blue, I am opening here. I am putting my stop loss here and 1 to 1 going up. And this is another sell trade here. And this is another sell trade here. And if I look to this is buy trade fail, because we were breaking this level, support level. And now we have this area here, which is coming to happen today on 6 February 2023. So now I have oversell and I have color change on 4 hour time frame. Now I'm going to place my order from here, and I'm going to put my stop loss, and I will go for 25% of this retracement. So finally, guys, this is the full strategy, and this is a simple condition given to you and simple risk management. You can apply them on your daily basis trading or 4 hour time frame trading, and you can use them and you can get profit out of it, and you can create your own risk management plan and your own trading plan based on this strategy. I hope, guys, that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share this content with your friend, with your community, so we can achieve maximum community and we can continue deliver for you a good quality videos and good quality content. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in next training video.